When I was younger, last Wednesday at Subway to be exact, I was chowing down on a massive meatball sub, and I asked Sarah, why does Blake suck? Sarah just said, it's because they don't have someone like you, Mitch. And then she tried to say something else, but I didn't understand her because she had meatballs in her mouth. Blake, son?
No?
Do you want to be in Blake?
Yeah?
Well, you can't! But you can! We've been losing to houses like Britton, Rutherford, and even Nata. And now it's time for us to stand up and win. We need someone that's motivated, persistent, and has everything it's got to win the House Cup. Vote Mitchell. Vote Mitchell! Vote Mitchell. Vote Mitchell. So when you get the chance, vote Mitchell Potts for Blake representative.
I'm voting Mitchell Ponce.
Yeah, Blake! Get out!